Hey guys, this is like El Cheapo direct video upload. Okay, this is in regards to the early bird contest. Okay, that's insane. Okay, Tristan, I want you to pick a number between 1 and 5.
3.
3? Okay, so it's 3 across. We're looking at the middle row. No, I don't want you to look. And then top to bottom, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to 8.
5.
5. Okay, so we're 3. We're in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the winner is the Rebel 172. You're from London. London Evening something. This dude, I'm sorry I don't know all your names based on your entries off by heart. And I'm very sorry about that. Wait a minute, dude. Alright, so you get to pick. You can either pick this dude, the M12 gun motor carriage, or the speeder bike. I'm gonna go look up your name, but this is a pretty crappy video, isn't it? Hey, look, it's me. Alright, see ya. I'm working on a real video, modeling video now, but this one's coming out, so yeah. Email me. 3 across, 5 down, is that what you said? 5. 3 across, 5 down. Contest entries page. Early bird. Okay. Check out ScaleModelAddict.com. This video really sucks, doesn't it? It's pretty random. Alright. Cool. Where's the button there?